Nature is full of wonders. Let me share a few. The hummingbird can flap its wings up to 80 times per second. Redwoods, the tallest trees on Earth, can live for over 2,000 years. Did you know sea otters hold hands while sleeping to stay together? The Arctic tern migrates farther than any other bird, traveling from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back. Some plants, like the Venus flytrap, that can actually eat insects. The monarch butterfly travels up to 3,000 miles to find warmer climates. Nature's wonders are all around us. Take a moment to appreciate them.